Welcome back to the channel for another video on our 22 WRX. As you can see, we got the car backed in. That's because today we're going to be upgrading our V3 Kogeki to the V4. Now I did get the same paint match spoiler, so we're going to go over the install and we're going to go over how to get the tape on the corners to make sure that it stays down. So if we come over to this one, you can see that we have some 3M tape here, but the corners are down on both sides. So we're going to mimic how we did the install on this one on our V4. The V4 does go all the way down to the side. So we just do a quick little comparison. You can see it's roughly the same shape, but it does extend a little bit more to go all the way down on the trunk. So we're going to get the V3 taken off. So let's get the trunk opened. Should be just some pop clips to get this off. I do have the parent trunk handle, so I do have 2 Allen keys to take out, or Allen bolts to take out here. Then I can get this trunk panel out. We do have 2 little screws that holds the spoiler on, so we'll get those 2 little Phillips screws taken out, and we should be able to wiggle the spoiler off. But let me get you guys set up over here and we'll get this taken off. Let's go. She's on there. It's all in the prep. This is definitely on there really good. So last time we installed this, we had a clean surface, and then we did an alcohol wipe to prep the area. And this is like, I mean, it is on there. There's no screws holding it. It's just the 3M holding it on these corners, because I only have the 3M on the corners, and this thing is on there. All right, with the help of some dental floss, I was able to get underneath the corners and get the 3M off. I did just go ahead and get the 3M tape taken off. So I do just have electrical tape on the holes that aren't being used. And I mean, the spoiler's been on for almost like a year, and everything is exactly how it was when we first put it on. So we're going to get this prepped up in just a minute, but I wanted to do a quick comparison of the V3 and the V4. So you can see it just extends a little bit more. I haven't placed this on the car yet, so this will be first time reaction, seeing what it will just look like. There you have it. Lines up perfect, both sides. So nice little mock-up. We'll get this prepped up too and get this put down. We'll get our V4 prepped right here on the wings, maybe just a little strip in the middle, and we'll get the trunk prepped as well with some alcohol wipes. They did supply some primer as well, some adhesion promoter or adhesion primer. See what it says there, primer application. Yeah, so it's just for putting, it's for like prepping the area. So we'll put this on just before we stick everything on. We'll get the 3M here, and we'll just prep the trunk with that as well. So when we get everything down, it'll be just like last time. The wings won't pop up and they will stay down. And then we have our 2 screws that they supplied to hold it in place. So let's get to that. Let's get our trunk and spoiler prepped and we'll get this mounted. Let's go. just like that, our V4 is installed. You can see it's nice and tight against the trunk. It's all about the prep work. As long as you have good prep, clean surface before you get the spoiler put on, you get those 2 bolts put on to hold it on, and then you just push on the sides. Now, I did have my wife come out and just help hold the trunk so it wouldn't spring up while I was getting the spoiler aligned, and then we both just pushed on the sides, and I mean, it came out flawless. Overall, I'm really happy with how this came out. I really wanted to get it on today. I got it yesterday in the mail, so I got it on like right away because we're actually getting photos done on the car tomorrow. I'm just getting some updated photos for the channel because the intro and some of the outro photos that I've had, they are a little bit dated. So we're just going to refresh some of those with how the car looks now, and definitely wanted to get our new V4 spoiler on before some of those photos. If you want to see more content on our 22 WRX, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.